So may nga po na itong tanan. From Barangay Mabulo, Lambok, Mabulo, a plaque of appreciation presented to G-Boy Magdadaro, a true hero of Sitio Fatima, Liloan, Cebu. This plaque is given in heartfelt appreciation and admiration for your bravery, compassion, selfless courage during the devastating typhoon Tino on November 4, 2025. At only 15 years old, you risked your own life to save others, rescuing 50 people, including children, the elderly, the expectant mothers, using only a life-saving boat and vest. Your heroic act has not touched countless hearts and will forever stand as a symbol of youthful courage and community love. Presented this 11th day of November 2025 at Barangay Mahol, Mabulo, Cebu City. Mabulo Barangay Council, headed by our Barangay Kapitan, Attorney Daniel Francis P. Argido, Barangay Chairman. Barangay Councilors, Dr. Emmanuel Sila Villa, Honorable John Paul De Borges, Honorable David C. Argido, Honorable Ima E. Colina, Honorable Mark Jones de la Cruz, Honorable Erlinda Tisulon, Honorable Rolando E. Supremo, Honorable Wally Orlando. A hero is not measured by age, but the courage to act when others cannot. Congratulations.
Kini naasap mi iko ani mo dong scholarship, no? Kining high school pa man ano? Kini ato ang scholarship mag-include din sa imong high school study o sa college na nino, hangtod ka mo graduate. Ikaw na pili o kung sa imong kurso pag-akwa. So you will be receiving 3,000 monthly as allowance plus ato ang kining tuition fee o other school fees. So ang kami na mo speaker ana. So ikaw na pili sa eskwela asa ka kining sa imong kurso na kinaan. No? And I hope dili lang sa demo